Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Roblox Account Manager. Roblox Account Manager is an application that you can download and you can use so you can have multiple accounts can be managed by one PC just quickly, not every single time you sign out and sign in. It's a really good application, and I'm going to show you how to download it right now. So first of all, you're going to open Google Chrome, and from Google Chrome you're going to search Roblox Account Manager, okay? And after that you're going to click on this link, which is the GitHub right on the top away, and then from there you're going to click on this download icon. Once you click on this download icon, it's going to start downloading, and from there I am going to grab it and put it onto the desktop. Then after that I'm going to extract to Roblox Account Manager, and then you're going to click on Roblox Account Manager and then Roblox Account Manager again, and you've got the application over here. You click on it, and now it's going to load up and open. And as you can see, you can have an encryption for the data of your Roblox account, which is basically you can have it password locked. This is recommended, so every single time you open the application you have to put your password. So I'm going to put Roblox. I'm going to name it Roblox. Is going to tell me to confirm the password. I'm going to click on Roblox. And after that, I've got the password, and as you can see, here's the application. So yeah guys, this is how you can download the Roblox Account Manager. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.